Hello guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to convert an image into Python. So we are going to use a module by the name image to PDF. Let's first create the file image underscore to underscore PDF dot py. So the module we are going to use is image to PDF. So this is the module we are going to install in our Anaconda environment so that we can use it to convert our image into a PDF. So let's just copy and paste this into our Anaconda. Open your Anaconda environment. Then you can paste the module we just typed in our text editor. Then click enter to install. So give it some minutes, just 1 to 2 minutes, and it will be done installing the PDF package, image to PDF package. So the image the image to PDF package, it also consists of another module by the name Piro, which can be used to enhance the image brightness, contrast, and other things. So as you can see, mine its requirement already satisfied because I already installed the module image to PDF. You can see the Piro I was referring to. It is used to enhance the image brightness and contrast and many other things that compose of an image. So after installing, you head back to your text editor. Now we are going to write the code on how to convert the image into a PDF. So the module itself, image to PDF, it has a function in its class definitions. It has a function by the name convert function, which helps to open a file in a binary mode and then write the bytes of the image into the PDF. So we are going to import the module, import image to PDF. Then from Piro, we are going to use from Pir. Pir is just the short of Piro. We are going to import image. This will help us on opening the image that we are going to use on converting it into the PDF. So what we are going to do is now open the image. The image you are going to use is Gazelle. Let me show you. This is the image you are going to use. We are going to convert this image into a PDF. So we head back. So we are going to get the image, open the image. So declare a variable with the name image or any other name. Then use the image we imported from pit dot open. I'm going to open the image. The image is Gazelle. If the image is not in the same folder with the file, you can just pass in the path plus the name. You can pass the path before the name, then the name after the path. Dot JPEG. Yeah, like that. Then the next thing we are going to converting the chunks, the image chunks into into we are going to convert the chunks using the image to PDF, that is. So to get the PDF bytes equals to image to PDF, image to PDF, then convert. We're going to get the chunks using the function itself, convert. Then we are going to get from this image, we get the file name, image.file name, image.file name. Those are the chunks. Then we are going to open or create a PDF. The PDF that we are going now to paste the image bytes into it. Yeah. So create or open the PDF file is equals to open automatic. When you open or when you want to create a file, just open it in a mode of writing. So when the file does not exist, it will be automatically created using the open function. So you pass the name of the PDF. You can call it gazelle.pdf. Then into mode of writing bytes. The mode of byte. So now we are going to write the chunks into the PDF. So PDF file dot write PDF bytes. Then we close the image. The image we opened earlier. Then the gazelle image we close that first. Then we close the PDF file we opened. Then we can confirm it has run successfully from our command prompt by printing done. So let's run our program from Anaconda. The other next thing, confirm the path that the Anaconda is reading. Here is the path where your file is. So we are going to type in Python, then the file name, image to pdf.py. I just copy the relative path and paste here. Then click enter to run. You can see done. That shows that the program was run successfully. When it prints done, as you can see, it gives us a PDF. You can open it to confirm that the PDF was done with the image of the gazelle in it. Let's see. And that's just amazing. You can see the image itself, and that's all for converting an image into a PDF using Python. So guys, if this was helpful to you, maybe you can like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have a question regarding Python, you can just ask me in the comment section below. Thank you.